Now we're going over there, which is a mini desert. We had to park our bikes here. And we were given this thing. I don't know what it's for. Yeah, let's buy it. Yeah. Well, you don't want it?
Còn nó lớn như vậy gì không? Anh muốn lấy thì để bằng giá đâu, lấy cái nào đấy. Thôi lấy 50 được rồi. Em à, thằng ra rồi em sợ cái giá không có xài lòng đâu em. Tại vì em vui chơi có xíu à. Yeah. Có xài lòng đâu em dừng sao? Rảnh cái này. Thôi không có biết cái nó đó.
Chị ơi muốn
Đẹp lắm.
em mua non lá.
Ngon quá.
À.
Thôi lấy em cái thôi. Thấy đó cho anh đi, cái này em này. Đẹp.
Oh my god. It looks ridiculous. There we go. Đẹp không?
Đẹp. Chị thắt lại giùm em một xíu đi.
À, bao nhiêu tiền?
80.
80. Oh my god, trời ơi. 80.
Đi. Cái này nè. Đây đâu, very good.
Very good.
Xin like nào good.
Giỏi quá.
Anh đồ photo picture very good này.
Thank you. Cảm ơn chị. Dạ không. Okay, crossing the street in Phan Thiê.
It's still expensive. So.
What is that for?
For you go up the hill and then you slip down.
Oh, it's a slide?
Yeah.
That thing was a slide.
Yeah.
And we didn't buy it.
No, it still have over here. Now you will see some people after you that.
Oh, so there are other people that sell it and it'll be cheaper.
Yeah.
I feel like I was a little bit too into the conversation that I didn't film so well everything. I guess I'll find out when I edit.
Actually, she sell the nón lá. This nón lá is so expensive.
Oh.
No, just okay.
For a foreigner, everything's expensive. Right?
That's the reason why I don't buy it.
It is so unbelievably windy here. The sand is flying. Over there in the distance, you can see the people, I think you would call it sand sliding, where you rent a slider and you slide down the sand. Whoa, whoa, this is really steep. Okay, you want me to go first? You film me? I guess I'm filming you. Okay, let's try to slide down. Oh no, I'm gonna have sand all over my socks now. Oh, was it even that hard? This lady preparing something. See the sand flying? To hold their bag as usual. Oh my god, baby teeth. You can't even push down by yourself. They actually accelerate you. Quite interesting. Yeah, look, she pushes you the whole time. Wow. Oh, she went all the way down this time.